Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Kalisha Williams. Prime Minister of Barbados, Mia Mottley, is calling on the European Parliament to delist countries like Barbados and Jamaica from its European Union Enhanced Delegated list. Speaking at the 49th CARICOM Heads of Government meeting recently, Prime Minister Mottley says despite both countries being removed from the Financial Action Task Force list for more than 1 year, they remain on the EU's high-risk list.
Because of a technical mechanism by which they remove countries, Barbados and Jamaica continue to suffer at the hands of the listing process when we have been deemed to be fully compliant with all of the obligations required of us from the Financial Action Task Force. It is wrong, and if it was the shoe on the other foot, if the shoe was on the other foot, we would be told how to find ways of having our parliament change the manner in which we address this issue rather than grouping all of the countries in one basket to be the victims of any opposition on any country in spite of the progress made by our countries.
She says that the delay in updating the list hampers the region's economic progress in benefiting from some preferential agreements. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Mottley also renewed her push for a regional debt swap initiative.
Our own country, Barbados, has now done 2 debt swap initiatives, one for nature and one for climate. In both instances, we have increased our capacity in respect of the nature one for Marine Sustainability Trust, and with respect to the climate one, for the construction of a new South Coast sewage treatment plant without increasing our debt by a single cent. And that is simply through the use of the Regional Debt Swap Initiative.
Grace Kennedy is expanding its footprint in the U.S. with a major push to strengthen its global food operations across the Mid-South region. The company says its new state-of-the-art 26,000 square foot distribution and office facility in Southwest Atlanta has quickly become a cornerstone of its U.S. growth strategy. Fully operational since last July, the hub is strategically located near the Atlanta International Airport and now serves key markets including Georgia, the Carolinas, Louisiana and Tennessee, boosting the reach of Grace and Lafayette branded products. Top executives say the facility brings the company closer to customers in one of the fastest growing markets for Caribbean and Hispanic foods. Grace Kennedy says the Atlanta Center is part of a broader plan to deepen its North American presence, to improve efficiency and meet rising demands as the company builds a stronger global brand. The JC index declined by 4,136 points, while the junior market index declined by 2 points. The advancing stocks were led by Iron Rock Insurance, Epley, Cygnus Real Estate Financial, Salada Foods, Jamaica and Caribbean Cream. On the losing side were Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, Kingston Wharves, Tropical Battery and Medical Disposables and Supplies. 17 stocks traded firm. To the foreign exchange market, foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $160.64. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $119.90. The pound is going for $217.35, while the euro is selling for an average $187.99. And that's the Business Day. I'm Kalisha Williams. Good evening.